In this video, I want to show you how to convert your standard eye-lag pole into what we call a Lagmaster Plus, an eye-lag pole that has interchangeable heads. First thing you'll notice the difference, this is a standard eye-lag pole that's typically screwed to this. I've removed the screws for demonstration purposes. This is a Lagmaster Plus. So if you look closely, the Lagmaster Plus has a base that allows you to use interchangeable heads. And so we can take our old eye-lag pole from a Tool Pro or Speedy, or maybe just a standard Lagmaster, anything with a 1-inch inside diameter there, and we can convert it to a Lagmaster Plus with interchangeable heads. So to do that, we get either the Lagmaster Plus retro kit, or we can simply buy the base plug as well too, and then buy whatever plugs you want. So again, I've removed the screws, so at that point we'll pull out our old head, and we'll put in our base, and of course tighten our screws. What that allows us to do is now we can still do the eye lags. We put that in there, tighten those screws, but we can take that plug out and put in a plug for Sammy threaded rod hangers. That'll plug in there. Now we can put a Sammy screw in there with threaded rod attached. Or perhaps you've looked at our STIFFY PAT actuated tool that we sell a lot of. That can be mounted to your eye-lag pole as well with this plug too. So that'll accommodate the DeWalt Sniper, the STIFFY PAT tool, and also the original Ramset Viper Steel Con tool, or the Ramset Viper 3. The Ramset Viper 4 will not fit on this telescopic pole. So there you have it. It's a real simple procedure. Again, you can buy either the kit, or you can buy just the base that we put in there. You can find them online at constructionfastening.net.